Hello, should we start?
Yes, yes. I have already started the recording. You may start now.
Okay. So, very good evening, everyone. Welcome to second workshop of XIOTA. In this workshop, we will learn about Proteus, the Proteus simulator. So, first of all, I need a volunteer from your side who has not yet installed Proteus in his laptop. Anyone who is interested, please raise your hand. You can make him a presenter. Then you need to present your screen. Anyone interested? Hello?
Okay.
Submit.
So Neeraj, yeah, this one Neeraj raised his hand, and Niharika Singh as well.
Yeah, make them a presenter. Niharika, you can present your screen, right?
Okay.
Yes. Ishan, make him a present. Make her a present.
Okay, wait.
By the way, Niharika, you have downloaded those files that we have sent you in the group.
No, not yet.
Just download it quickly. It won't take too long.
Okay. If you want, you can make someone else the presenter.
Okay. No problem. Anyone else interested? Many students were raising their hands. Anyone else? Yes, with it.
I had just installed that files and clicked on the .exe file in that folder.
Yes. Repeat
Yes,
it again, please.
I had just installed that zip file and started the download of Proteus underscore v7.8i application.
So you have
So it's in
extracted the
progress.
RAR file now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. No problem. You can open. You can share it.
Okay, Vidit, I have made you a presenter. You can present your screen now.
Is it visible? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So
So
it's
this
for
was
everyone. If you extract the zip file that we have sent you, you will see two folders in it, two files in it. Open that with it. Open that whatever you've extracted.
yes, yes, yes.
There are two files in it. First is the Arduino library, and the next is Proteus version 7. Okay.
Aditya,
Yeah.
yeah, I have installed that
I
application.
think I think we should start with someone like who has not yet installed, so there may not be any confusion.
It shouldn't be a problem. Everyone can extract the files. No. Anyone is having any problem, then you can tell me. Okay, so with it, you have already started the
Yes, just
installation process, no?
I just executed this file and clicked on next. Means accepted this their terms and condition. Nothing much.
Yes. So I want everyone to just double click on the software, and just click on yes, yes, yes on everything, and it will start the installation process. It's very simple. You all can do it. Everyone should start doing it now because we are going to use it in the later workshop, in the coming forward minutes. Okay. So by the time everybody is installing the Proteus software, let me tell you what Proteus is. With it, you can click on finish. So Proteus is basically a simulation software in which we simulate different circuits that we are going to use. As you might know, in IoT, we are going to build circuits. Whatever problem that you are going to solve, it would require you to build a circuit. So for building that circuit, we are going to use Proteus. Earlier, we used to use hardware, but because things are online now, we are going to be using Proteus. You can also use other software, simulators which are similar to Proteus, but we prefer or we recommend that you use Proteus. Okay, and if everyone can just tell me if they have installed Proteus by raising their hand, then it will be really nice. Anyone who has installed it? Okay, cool. So with it, now we are going to open Proteus simulator. Okay.
Bhaiya, what is simulator?
A simulator. We make circuits in hardware system. Okay. But we now mix those circuits in a software system. It's very simple. You know, like you are having wires and bulbs and battery, for example, in a circuit. Now in online mode, it is not possible for you to build them. Okay, especially if you are in teams. One guy, uh, builds, then how can the other guy build it? So to solve this problem, we use a simulate. Okay, in this, all the devices are inbuilt in it, and you can combine them. You can use them to build a circuit inside the software, and then you can share the files with others, and you can all build it together in a way. Okay. I hope I'm clear.
Okay, bhai.
Okay. So with it, go to C. Okay. Everyone, are you following? Please raise your hands. This is going to be a highly interactive workshop. Hello. Everybody has opened C?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. Next, with it, click on Program Files Cross 86. Then click on Lab Center Electronics. Yes, this one. Open this one. Yeah, bin. Then scroll down. Yes, click on this one. ISIS. Yes, this one. So now you have opened your Proteus simulator. Okay, this is the way of opening it. You can also create a shortcut on your desktop, but if you need to find the location of the software, it is stored here. I hope everybody is following. So this is the layout of our software. Okay.
Bhaiya, we have to open is.exe.
Yes, ISIS.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Those who have opened it, please raise your hands.
Yeah, I already have version 8.9 installed on my PC. So will this
What?
create any issue?
No, it will not create any issue. The thing is, many of you asked us if we can use the version 8, Proteus version 8 for this workshop. But we thought we will do that in the next workshop, because sometimes it happens that some things work in the 7th version and something works in 8th version. So it's better for you to know both of them. Plus, for first yearites, it might be a bit difficult to directly go to 8. It's a bit complex. There are not a lot of differences between them, but it might be a bit difficult. So in this workshop, we will be covering the 7th Proteus version In the next one, we will work with the 8th one. Okay? It won't create any problem.
Okay, bhaiya.
Both are basically the same. Yes, somebody was saying.
Nothing.
Okay. Now you all can just raise your hands down. Okay, I hope everybody has followed me till here. Now with it, stop scaring the screen. I will take over from here. You might, I might need your help later on. Is my screen visible?
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay. So this is our layout. As I told, this is a simulator software. You will find different devices here. So click on this component mode. Everybody following? Here you will find different devices. Click on P. Pick
Yeah, I
from
think
library.
your screen is lagging.
My screen is lagging.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
It is stuck
I
on
think
X
you may present
iota.
it again. Listen and
Just a second. Let me try it again. Is it visible now? Is it still lagging?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. Can you see my cursor, my pen?
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay. So go on the furthest left hand corner. There you will see a diode. Okay. End gate. Yeah. It's not a. You will see a symbol. Click on that. It's component modes. If you just scroll over it, you will see it reads component mode. Now from this this tab, you will be able to get different devices. If you now click on P, this window appears. So now let's build a very simple circuit. That way you will be able to understand it very clearly. So now I need a battery. Okay, for any circuit you are going to need a battery, obviously. So I take a battery and I click OK. You see battery comes here. I click once on battery, place it here, and I have placed it here. Okay, everybody following? In this way, we are going to place every component on this board, and that's how we are going to make a circuit. Next, let's take an LED. Let's take a green LED. I do the same thing again. Click on the board once and then place it wherever I want to place it. Okay. It's visible right now. Can anybody answer?
Yes, bhaiya.
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay. Now what else do we need in a circuit? Can anybody tell?
Wires.
Wires.
Yes, wires. We need wires, but we can create wire with the pen tool. What else?
Key. Switch.
Need a switch. Okay, now I will also add a resistor here. Okay. Now I have added a resistor here. Now you see the value of resistor here is 10k, but I need something less. So what will I do? I will first of all select the component, that is the resistor. I will click once on the resistor and select it, and then I will click on it again. In this way I can edit the values in the component. It's 10k here. I am writing 300 ohm here. Okay, this way I have changed the value of the resistor, and you can do the same thing with all the components here. Now I will connect it with wires. Now the tool that you have by default here is a pen tool. You can connect different devices by clicking on one end and then dragging to the other end. Okay, this way we have created a very simple circuit. I hope I'm clear. Next, we have created a circuit. Now we want to test it. We need to know whether it functions properly or not. So for doing it, we use the play button, which is at the bottom left corner. Now for switching, set the switch off, I will use this button, and you can see that the LED glows. So the circuit is working fine. Okay, is it okay? Now to stop the animation, I just need to click on the stop button. It's clear, right? One more thing that I need to add, sometimes you would need to change the orientation of the component. So what you can do is, you can either use these buttons here, which can rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise, flip it across the x-axis and flip it across the y-axis. You can also do this by clicking, right-clicking on the component. Okay, you might need it sometimes. Now let's say we need to find the voltage across the LED, but if we see here, can't find a voltmeter in this because voltmeter is not here. Voltmeter can be found by clicking on virtual instruments mode. Okay, I select a DC voltmeter, and in the same way I place it and connect it with the wires. And now if I play it, you can see that we are getting the voltage across the LED. You can find different all other devices, and you can find all other devices from here, from the components mode, but you are going to be you are going to find voltmeter and ammeters from here. Okay, okay, now I want somebody to share the screen again, hopefully somebody different this time, somebody else other than Vidit, because now we are going to go into a very important part, that is uploading Arduino code the uh, into Proteus. Anybody interested to share the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we erase the wire? That means I have forgotten to connect the resistor.
Yes, you can erase it. Click on the wire and right click on it. There will be an option to erase it.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you all that. You can mostly create. You can mostly delete the devices by clicking on delete. Okay. Somebody is interested in sharing the screen. Please raise your hand whoever is interested in. If everybody has installed Proteus and has opened it. Hello. Amarjit, I am audible, right?
Yeah, you are audible.
Is nobody interested in showing?
Yes, no. I can.
You have installed Proteus, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
And do you have that Arduino ID?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, please share your screen. Ishan, please make him a presenter.
Uh, I need to make Neeraj the presenter.
No, yeah, Neeraj.
Okay, okay. Wait, he's already a presenter.
Neeraj is already a presenter? Okay, it's fine. It's good that you are following. Cool. Okay, so first of all, let's create a new window. New layout. No, new layout in the Proteus itself. Go to files and create a new design. Just click on. No need to save it. It's okay. Default.
What should default? Okay.
Okay, now try to find Arduino
Where, Bhaiya?
in the device
Sorry.
section by clicking on P in the Proteus itself.
This one, L.
Yeah, P.
Bhaiya, pardon?
Click on P. You need
And
to find
then
Arduino.
There are no matches, it's showing.
You are not getting any matches. Is everybody getting? Is anyone here getting matches?
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible. So is nobody getting any matches? Raise
no
your hand.
matches.
We are adding the Arduino libraries left till now.
Yes,
That extra folder.
Yeah, I'm coming to that. Okay, so Arduino does not come in Proteus by default. You need to add it manually. So you if you remember that we have also sent you a file with which names Arduino library. So
Yes.
now we are going to add it manually to the Proteus library. Okay. Now Neeraj, go to wherever you have extracted those files and open Arduino library.
Is
Click on Arduino library. Open it again.
the first
And now
one?
copy all of these.
Copy. Okay.
All of these.
Shall I open Prometheus now?
No. Now again go to C. I'm telling you where you need to go and paste these. You have copied them, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now go to C.
See. Oh, okay.
Local disk. Yes. Lab Center
Pro-
Electronics.
program files, right?
Yeah, you're going right. Click
Lab
on
center
Lab Center Electronics.
again.
Yes, click on it.
Bin.
Not bin. Click on
Like,
library
okay.
and paste the files here.
Continue. Shall I
Yeah,
continue?
continue. Just click do this for all current items. It will ask for everything.
Okay.
I hope everybody is doing the same thing. You are going to be needing Arduino for this event. Just please raise hands if you are following and if you have done till here.
Where is Arduino library?
We send it to you, right? With along with
The
Proteus
zip folder.
in the zip folder here. We can wait a few minutes if not everybody is ready. Okay, Neeraj, open the Proteus and again try to find Arduino. Close it and then again try it.
Yes, we now it is coming.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Neeraj, you are not getting it.
Shall I close the whole window and start it again?
Yeah, try it once. It should come, but I don't know why it's not coming. Try
I
it.
think he's entering wrong spelling.
What?
He's using wrong spelling.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Aditya, hello.
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
change your microphone? Like your microphone is making so much noise.
Really?
Yeah.
Just a second. Hello, Amarjeet. Is it still making noise?
Yeah. Yeah, I
What?
think it is making noisy. Like there is slight noise.
What sort of noise? No, just a minute.
Like if it is not problem with everyone, then we can continue with it.
Hello, Amarjeet.
Yeah, Aditya.
Is it fine now?
I think we can continue with this one.
I don't know why I'm getting the problem.
Yeah, we can continue.
Okay. Where were we? Neeraj? Right. You can now see the Arduino, right? Click on it.
Yes,
Click
Bhaiya.
on Uno.
Which one, Bhaiya?
Uno. The fourth one. Arduino Uno. Yes. And now place it here. Okay. This is the way we have to do for every module that we do not have by default in Proteus. So same goes for Raspberry Pi and Node MCU also. Okay. You need to do the same with every module that you cannot find. You need to edit manually. Now open that Arduino IDE. Now go to Files, Examples, and Blink. I will show with a very simple example how to upload it. You write your code in Arduino and then you are going to upload it into the Proteus.
Bhaiya, it's already open. Is it okay?
Yeah, no
Huh.
problem. You have opened that one, Blink one.
Blink? No.
Go to Files, Examples, Basics, and Blink.
Yes, Bhaiya. I have opened it.
Okay, so LED built in.
Can you repeat it, please?
Wherever LED built in is written, change it to 9. There are 3 places where it is written.
Bhaiya, I couldn't hear you.
You see that function pin mode?
Function.
Pin mode.
In the void
Where?
setup.
In the void setup.
Void setup. Okay, okay. In the void setup, pin mode. Yes.
Now you can see that it is written LED built in.
Aditya,
Yeah.
yeah, I think there are some slight doubts like how to copy the file and where to paste it. The Arduino files.
Okay. Should I tell it again?
Yeah, you can just repeat it, just where it has to be pasted. I think there is slight doubt in some ways.
Okay. So Neeraj,
Yes.
can you open that location again? Yeah. Go to C. Yeah. You have already opened it, no?
Yes, Bhaiya. See,
Just
then
open
program files,
Program Files
then
56. Yeah.
labor this.
Lab Center Electronics. Go slowly. Go slowly.
Okay, okay. We can see this
Yes, you can see the
location
yeah.
location here, I think so. And
And then you
then
have to
pin.
open library
Oh, sorry.
and paste the files in the library section. Everybody following? Any doubts? Those who have done it, please raise your hand. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Neeraj, open that Arduino ID. Shall I move forward? Anybody? Is there anyone who has still not done it? We can wait a few minutes more. Okay, I think most of us has done it. So Neeraj, now change. You need to rewrite LED built-in. Okay, just erase that LED built-in and write 11 or okay 9. Write 9 in place of it.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do the same with the LED built-in that is written in the function void loop. So 9 is the pin number that with which we will connect the LED to, okay, in the Arduino. It's the output, okay, it's the output device with which the Arduino will be connected, and it is going to blink. The LED will be connected to the ninth port, okay. Now
Bhaiya, LED has two terminals now.
yeah,
I
Every
think in the ground
positive
state.
and negative.
don't worry about it, we will set the other terminal to 0. Now next step is very crucial, so I hope that everybody is following. Now Neeraj, go to files, go to preferences, last second. Now in the middle area you can see that there is a checkbox with compilation written next to it. Click on that. Above, uh, below theme, you can see show verbose output during.
This one, Bhaiya. Show
Yeah.
web browse output.
Okay, everybody need to do this step. It's very crucial.
Bhaiya, please repeat.
Go to files, then preferences, then this window will be with this window will open.
Yes,
Then
Bhaiya.
text, okay, you can follow, right? Then click on
Shall I
OK.
do it again, Bhaiya?
Yes, you can do it again. Just show them, show everyone again.
Files, preferences, and show web browse output during compilation.
Click OK. We have clicked on OK. Is it just me or your screen is lagging a lot?
It is lagging.
Yes. In my laptop it's lagging a lot. You have clicked on OK now?
I've clicked it on. Okay.
Okay. So next step, we need to compile this code. You can see a tick mark below file. Click on that. With this,
one.
we can compile our code. Okay, it's compiled now. Now do one thing. Scroll down and you will see an option to slide the compilation output above.
I did not understand me.
They will come. The cursor will
Just make
change.
it bigger. The compilation. This thing is given. Just make it bigger. The window is bigger. The compilation window.
This window, black screen.
Yeah. You need to make the compilation window
Yeah,
bigger.
yeah,
The cursor, yes, like that.
yeah.
Now scroll to the right side and you will see an address with .hex written at end. You need to find that address.
Is this that
This
one?
is, yes, this one. Copy the complete address.
Bhaiya, which one? Please repeat.
Can you repeat?
From here?
Yes, this one. Copy this address.
Okay.
The path is you have to like copy this file which has a .hex extent.
Yeah.
Am I
Copy
clear?
the file with .hex at the end. Copy the path.
Yes, Bhaiya.
You've copied it?
Yes.
What about else? Everybody else? They have done it? Okay, so now open Proteus. Now double click on the Arduino. You can see program files written there. Paste that address there. And click
Yes,
on
bhaiya.
OK.
Bhaiya, please may you repeat after we open this Proteus?
Double click on the Arduino. Need to show it again. Yeah. And
Yes, bhaiya.
paste that path into program files.
This one.
Yeah.
Here. This one.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay. Now click on OK, and now we have uploaded our Arduino code into Proteus. Now we will connect an LED to 11th port, 11th pin. We wrote 9 or 11. Neeraj, what?
9 by
9.
9. We have written
9.
9.
Okay. So we will connect an LED to the 9th pin. Go into P and select an LED. Scroll down.
Is it okay? The blue highlighted one.
No, scroll down. Scroll down. Select the colored one, any color one.
Okay, okay.
Green, red, yellow, any, whichever you like. And then place it in the board
Where should I place it, bhaiya?
next to the 9th pin. You can zoom it. Zoom it a bit too much. Yes, it's fine. Now place next to the 9th pin a bit further. We can connect it with wires.
Oh, sorry. Okay, bhaiya. Is it okay?
Okay. Now connect it with the 9th pin. The top terminal of LED. Connect it with the 9th pin. Now we will make the other terminal of LED 0. So for that we need ground. Now the ground cannot be found here in the component mode. For that we need to go to terminal mode. So Neeraj,
Yes, bhaiya.
go to the left tabs, the modes that is there, and come to terminal mode, which is like two parallel lines.
Is this that one?
Yes,
Terminals
terminals.
mode.
Yeah. Click on here and select ground.
Yes, bhaiya.
And place it here. Place it on the board. It won't connect directly to it. You need to place it a bit below.
Bhaiya, it is not.
Yeah, you can't connect it directly. Place it a bit below. We will connect it with wires.
Oh. So what should? Okay.
Place
Oh,
it
I
below.
should place another wire.
Yeah. We will connect it with wires. Okay, everybody is following. Is everybody able to do it till here? Any doubts?
Yes, Pia.
Okay. Now play it. Click on the play button. You can see that it's blinking. It was the Arduino code was blinking, and you can see the LED blinking. And that's how we're going to make the circuit here. You write the code in Arduino, upload it here, and make all the circuits here. You can do the same with fade or any other example. There were so many examples in that Arduino IDE. You can do the same with anything. Okay, I hope it's clear. Any doubts?
No, Bhaiya.
Okay, so I think this
Bhaiya,
is
I've
enough.
forgotten. Bhaiya,
Yeah.
I've forgotten how did we the transfer from Arduino ID to this ISIS.
So uh, open the IDE.
Yes, Bhaiya.
You remember that we copied the address here?
In sorry. Yes, Bhaiya.
You have done the preferences things. Once you have done the
Huh.
preferences thing, this output can be viewed.
Okay.
If you do not do the preferences thing, then this address will not be visible. It won't be printed.
Okay.
So, okay.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So you copy this address, go to Proteus.
Files.
And
I
double
think it's
click
not.
on double click on the Arduino.
Simulation must be paused
Yeah.
while measuring.
Before you interact with the devices, you need to stop the simulation first.
Okay.
Click on the stop button, not pause,
Oh,
the stop.
stop. Okay.
Remember that first stop the simulation, then do anything else. It won't work otherwise. And
Okay.
just paste it here in the program files.
Okay, bye.
Is it fine?
Yes, bye.
Any other doubts? Anyone?
No.
If there are no doubts, then let's see how many of you have done it. How many of you are following? Let's see. Raise your hands, everyone who has done it till here. Good, very good. That's great. Many of you are following. So that's all. Neeraj, you can stop presenting. So this was all for this workshop. If anybody else has any doubts, they can ask. Otherwise, they can leave for that. Ishan, we can stop the recording. No problem.
I think many has not done. Like there is few who has registered and
I mean, Aditya, there is no point in recording now.
No. The workshop is finished. There is nothing else that I need to tell. If they have doubts,